This is the brief on Codeex, a unified AI coding agent. Okay, so Codeex, that AI coding assistant from OpenAI, it just got some major updates. And yeah, it's now running on GPT-5, OpenAI's latest AI model. What this really means is it brings everything together, giving you busy developers, well, just one powerful tool to make coding more efficient. Let's quickly break down what's new. First off, Codeex has really unified its different parts. Remember how it used to be kind of separate, like a local command line tool and then a cloud agent inside ChatGPT? Well, now it's all combined into one thing. Makes it way simpler to use. Kind of like GitHub being one product, even if you access it different ways. Second, there are some powerful new features here. There's an IDE extension, which basically brings Codeex right into your coding workspace, like VS Code. Super handy. It also does automated code review on GitHub. So Codeex can actually look at your pull requests, your proposed code changes, and suggest improvements. Oh, and you can offload tricky tasks to a secure cloud sandbox and pull the results back later. Pretty neat. And finally, Codeex gives you flexibility. You can run it locally, almost like a pair programmer helping you out, or have it work remotely in the cloud. You can get to it from your IDE, your terminal, GitHub, or even the ChatGPT apps. Plus different permission modes, chat for just looking, agent for making changes you approve, and YOLO for, well, full access. Be careful with that one. So yeah, Codeex is now this really comprehensive AI coding assistant set to seriously boost how productive developers can be.